When I visited the Festival of Quilts last August, I wandered round past Karin Hellaby's stand, and she was showing off her latest book. It's called So Simple Pinwheels, and like all Karin's books, they're really a clever idea with lots of alternatives, and I really fell in love with it, and with her permission I'm sharing it with you today. It is a very simple technique using squares. The quilts behind me and this lovely batik runner are all in the book, so you can really strip piece these. I've got this one sewn together, so we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see they all spin in exactly the same direction. Here is your pinwheel coming together. And this one comes here. So you can see it's really fast, it's really easy, and what a lovely design.